When you're fishing pre-spawn, electronics are really key, from water temperature to how you set up your various units. Here's a couple of tips talking about setting those units up. You know, we're talking about electronics, Panoptix LiveScope. One thing about Panoptix that most guys don't really talk a whole lot about is, yeah, you can see fish, yeah, it works really great in deep water, but I use it in shallow water, especially looking at objects or vegetation. A lot of times if I'm going down a grass line that I don't know, I'm panning side to side, I can see clumps, I can see edges, I can see taller grass, shorter grass, I can see all of that stuff, and all I got to do is, to me, it's just kind of become second nature. Wherever I'm panning, that's what I'm looking at. And so as you look, like right there, that's just a hard reed line right there. I look to the left, that's a big grass clump right there to the left. So if I want to cast, I just cast right at it, and then I'll reel my bait right over that grass clump. So a lot of times it just helps you. If you're fishing the outside edge, it tells you right where the outside edge up ahead of you is, not after you've gone over it. A huge, huge key, knowing what's going on in front of you.